Properties you buy simply because you need a place to live. There are also properties you buy because you want to upgrade your lifestyle. And there are these types of properties you buy that can potentially give you a combination of comfort, security, prestige, rental value, and long-term appreciation. Today in this video, I want to introduce you to one of such opportunities along the fast developing Lekki Ekpe Expressway. Now, Zylus Court Extension is the name of this property and it is back on the market. So, whether you're looking for a comfortable family home, a property for rental income, or a long-term real estate investment in Lagos, this is one of the projects you should take a closer look at. Stay with me until the end of this video because I'll break down the location, the available house types, the title, the estate features, the payment plan, and the type of buyer this property is suitable for, and some important questions you should ask before you make your final decision. Zylus Court Extension is a residential estate offering designed three-bedroom duplexes either in terrace form or in semi-detached form, and it is located inside Richland Garden just in Bogije off the Lekki Ekpe Expressway. So what you're seeing now is how you're going to be getting this property. What is going to be added is we are selling this property at a carcass level. What this means is that we are going to finish the outside and you're going to go ahead and acquire it and finish it to taste on the inside. You are going to finish it to taste on the inside. So when I talk about the outside, I'm talking about the windows will be done, the walls will be plastered, screeded, and painted on the outside. Then the compound will be interlocked. Then when you get it, you get your keys, you can begin to fix the inside for yourself. Look at how big this property is. This project is designed for people who want more than just a building. It is for buyers who want a home within a property planned environment where security, comfort, lifestyle, infrastructure, and estate management have been considered because you are buying a house. You are not buying the walls, the doors, the kitchen, and the bedroom. So when you're buying a house like this, you are buying into the environment. You are buying the quality of access. This is located inside a call to access estate, a estate that is people are already living in. It has already been activated and people are already living in it. So you are buying the security structure, you're buying the community, you are buying the lifestyle that comes with this property. And in many cases, these surrounding factors will determine how enjoyable the property is to live in and how desirable it may become in the future. So if you're looking for a place where when you come into Lagos, you live in, or you're already living in Lagos, you're looking for a secured environment to raise your family, or you're looking for a property that can help you earn good rental income, then this is the property for you. Bogije is within the expanding residential corridor of the Lekki axis. As more people, businesses, schools, recreational centers, retail development, and residential estates move further along the Lekki Ekpe corridor. Locations that were once considered far are gradually becoming established communities, and you don't want to miss out on these communities. So this is one of the principles of real estate. A couple of years ago, nobody were looking at these communities, but now it is very difficult for you to find houses as affordable as what you're seeing now in this estate. I remember a time in this estate where terrace duplexes were sold for as high as 150 million naira. Yes, I think 2025. Now, when you hear the price of this, yes, I know we are selling at carcass level, but you know that it is still very, very affordable. It is very, very affordable. So this Zylus Court extension is also shares proximity with a number of recognized destinations and establishments within the Lekki Ekpe corridor. It shares with Omo Resorts, Eleko Beach, Novari Mall, like the Coscaris Motto, and Corona Schools, and it is just beside one of the big business places in Lekki. The presence of this kind of landmark matters a lot when it comes to real estate. So the three-bedroom Terrace Duplex is being sold for 85 million naira, while the four-bedroom Semi-Detached Duplex is sold for 100 million. With now, this is how it usually works when it comes to according to my experience, because I have finished a lot of carcass buildings for people and for myself. There was a time when I just buy a carcass house, I finish it, and I resell it for a higher price. I always make more money. So normally, when I buy a carcass house for around 70 million naira, I spend at least another 40 million naira to finish it to good standard taste. That is enough to finish it to good standard taste. And when you finish it to good standard taste, so when I plus 70 million plus 40 million, I sell those kind of houses as around 150, 160 million, and they always sell. So what I'm trying to tell you now is that when you invest in a carcass building like this, you are bound to save more money for yourself, because the price of buying plus the price of finishing is not up to the price if you're buying something that is already finished. I know some people like to run away from, oh, I don't want this stress, I don't want that stress. But when you are really interested in owning a place for yourself at good price in Lagos, then Kakas Buildings is one of those things that you should invest in. It can be finished for you if you so desire. It can be finished for you. A quotation will be sent to you and you will see it by yourself. And like I said earlier, I spend another 60% of buying price to finish, and it always works out for me. And I'm talking about good finishing to standard taste. So this one that is going for 85 million naira, just make up your mind that you'll be finishing for another 40 to 45 million naira, and you'll be good to go. So if this looks like something you're interested in, give me a call right now, and I'll be happy to help you see out this process and make you a landlord in Lagos.